So this KOA campground here, we've stopped many times for single overnighters because it's really convenient to where we live. And it's also really nice for that last stop from a long, long outing. Maybe we catch up on some laundry because they have really nice laundry facilities here. Or maybe we go hit the food city in town. But for now, my assistant navigator and I here are waiting to get checked in so we can make our way through the campground, find our spot, get ourselves unhooked, and get everything set up. To be honest, one of the reasons that we only stay on overnight outings at this campground is that we are really close to Interstate 40. These sites that we have here are about 50 foot, which accommodates us. I have seen all size rigs in this place with tow vehicles. This spot here where they have all these camping cabins that face each other, 4 or 5 of them I believe, is a great area if you have a bunch of families, which I've seen here, and it looked like everybody was really having a good time with all the kids out playing in the center area. And on top of it, you are right near the pool. That is an awesome place to hang out or have the kids hang out, especially if you've spent the day just over a half hour away at Smokey Mountains National Park. This campground really does cover a lot of ground, most of which is away from where the campers and the camping areas are located. And I always love a great dog park.